Before I give you the gist, abeg, make I kukuma first inform una say naira don hit 1,000 to $1. You hear am, abi? Naira don hit 1,000 to $1. The case wey we get now na say for morning time naira go fit sell for 1,000 plus. You understand? To $1. Then if you don dey reach evening, it go come down to like 1,000 or 990. You understand? So it is in that realm of 1,000 to $1 already. Make una also remember, say I tell una, say if these government policies continue to be like this, say by December this year, naira go hit 1,500 to $1. You know what this mean? If you hold $1,000, you know how much you hold for naira, my brother. Currently, now as they speak, you hold 1 million naira. If you hold $1,000, as we speak now, what do you hold now? 1 million naira. Those of you now we get people who where they outside, where they earn dollar, they call them now. If they never build house, when they start to send money, dollar, when they start, they send dollar now, they come back. You understand? That if you exchange that for here, if they send like $2,000, or more 2 million naira, now you hold. If they send like $5,000, now 5 million naira you hold. So when they start to buy land now, the developer, because economy don't bafoka. Dollar now the master. Dollar now the abalaba for the economy. Oh, now they hear me. See, come on, Cameroon here, they are safe as now. Don't gather better muscle. Where naira dey? Who be naira? Where safe dey? Who be naira? Where safe dey? That's so it be now. So the economy, I mean the policies where government don't they dish out all this while. Now they rub off on this exchange rates. So if you are earning in dollars, congratulations. You are good to go. If you are earning in naira, my brother, you are losing purchasing power every day. If they lose purchasing power every day, that your money, if they lose purchasing power. So I don't know what you go do. All of us are in this together. Congratulations to the government of the day. Una dey try. We can't wait to December. Many people don't go travel Christmas this December. Many assure me that they go there. They don't go travel. Or they hear me. Now so the situation don't was rich. Sorry if you are affected. Because sorry. No verse. Now to the issue of the day. Imo-lights. Igbo state people who quote too much now. People will say I am talking too. If I say that, when I go to say I don't talk too much. On our place is fast becoming a deserted state. On our people, they are fast becoming refugees because people don't run away. Igbo-lights. On our place, it don't they turn some. I don't they talk this is so. It don't they turn Borno State to. Una know why? Not be here. I can't tell una say they buy people inside Imo State. 8 military people plus civilians and other people. As we speak now, 2 days after that it happened, they don't Casablanca everywhere. People they on the run on a major tempo run inside that state now. You go see houses they burn. You go see street and wait everywhere they empty. You go know some people know they here. If you shout, oh, what you go hear now? Oh, your voice go the echo for the people because nobody they the animal, nothing inside. They don't rock. This is what you get when you have a governor that does not stay in a state. If they live for Abuja, this is what you get. Hope on them. Look at your state. See as your state is fast becoming Borno State. Inside eastern Nigeria or inside Igbo land, let go to your place. See you. I beg. You get one video I will show una, so that when I go see the sorry state of Imo State. Una go see as Imo State. When I go see the community where they talk about as everybody don't run, leave the place for who wants to make it stay. I beg. Before I show una this video where they talk about, make we go on this short break. Then we will come back. I will show you that video. Don't go anywhere. Stay with me on this channel. Well, let's go on this break.
For over a decade, this has been the birthplace of innovation. Innocent Vehicles is a testament to resilience, employing international best practices to create more than just a car. Every vehicle here tells a story of durability, fuel economy and safety. Crafted with the African spirit, the Nigerian heart. These vehicles surrounding me embody the unique concept of regionalization, each one designed to cater to the tastes and preferences of our people. From the streets in Nigeria to the terrains of the Sahara, these vehicles are designed for our roads, for our people. This is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of our progress, our resilience, our collective success story. Your feedback drives us to continuously innovate and improve. Innocent Vehicle, the pride of African roads.
Welcome back. Ngwa, that video I tell you, say, I go show you. Ngwa, look, gonna help me watch this video.
This is Umweze in Ehime, Mbano local government area of Imo State. The roads are deserted and residents have continued to flee their homes following the invasion of their community by suspected security operatives. Several shops, buildings, houses and business premises were destroyed during the attack. The Labour Party governorship candidate in the November 11th election in Imo State, Ethan Achonu, who hails from the area, expressed shock over the level of destruction.
I'm very, very sad. It's not. I read my position on these issues. I mean, it's very well known. This shouldn't happen in a place where there is government. There is no government here. It's absence of governance. That's why this is happening. Because in my government, this can never happen. We have vigilante in every local government in the country. We equip police. Look at that place, exactly opposite where these men were killed. It's the land I bought for to rebuild the Mbano police station. Huh? Let me go and show you people the area command that was damaged that I built. It was dynamited, destroyed. I bought APCs, I paid for APCs, I repaired 9 APCs so that these men will not be killed. The allowed to be protected. Up till now, the Commissioner of Police has not been able to deliver them to me. I spent 100 million of my hard-earned money. I don't have any security vote. I've been supporting police and civil defense and military over the years, the DSS, providing them with vehicles. This is unbelievable.
Community invasion by the alleged security operatives comes 2 days after some gunmen killed and burnt 8 security operatives in a deadly ambush.
Una say as it happen for there. You see as the talker for the video. Say people don't run, oh, leave out the place, oh, this one. The person who even follow talk inside that video. Now the Labour Party governorship candidate, what do they call Ethan Achonu? He will say him government inside his own government, if he will, say the state not go be like this. Everybody now is capitalizing on the inefficiency of this governor, hopeless, hopeless of them man, to campaign. Because look at your state, hopeless of them man. The worst thing is that you don't even stay. You know how if you hear that APC is doing boom anywhere, you go wrong. I think you go. Look where your state. See your state. Look at your state. See the state that people gave you to Supreme Court gave you. Let me not say people. Supreme Court gave you to govern. Look at it. Look at the way it's fast becoming something else. If you talk to someone and they will say, yeah, doing this one. Yeah. Look at. See what I'm saying now. The essence of what I am saying. Make I just go straight to the point. Whoever that is responsible, some go blame say, what do they call them? Asare Takobo are a men. We say, we they claim say, and them they charge of security, and them they run all these things. Imo life not on a day. Asare from in place, come to spawn on a place, Abi. That one by the side. This one people they claim say, now them carry Biafra for head. Say now them be Biafra Revolution Army. When they threaten people anyhow, they do anyhow. You understand? When see the carrying gun, they bullet everything. You understand? When we say anything will be military outfit, now they are enemy. Maybe now them still follow they run this thing. Because who they kill that time, not be 8 military people. You understand? If on a destroy on a place finish, where I want to go? Is there any place like home? Where on a go now? If you not destroy this Imo state finish, where on a one run go? I'm asking people now. Those people they carry call, they claim Biafra Revolution Army. You must save your state, now you cannot save your state. Abina when they commit the crime. You Abina not save the state. See the sorry state of Imo. I just they laugh now. Or I don't know what they do on themselves. Investors are fast run. Imo state that is known for hospitality. When you come now, there are hotels place. People they come relax. You understand? Chop fish here, chop catfish. Carry babes, stay okay. Now people are running away from the Imo State. The only thing we gonna get will be hospitality. It is fast living on a place. People don't relocate now, they come out, they go. Businesses are leaving the place. Who one day for insecurity they do business? All of them they fold hand, they look on a state, they go like this. So Imo like on a fold hand, they look on a governor don't help, on a don't help herself. Secure on a place. See as on a place they go. Just they go. You go yesterday they kill military today. Here they kill police. And people when they kill, the military when they kill, on a say they don't come back for revenge. They don't come back for second leg. They don't come back. Not be after 2 days they buy military people. This one happen. When people they start they run inside this community, they burn everywhere. And they laugh for now. Now they are more than they watch us on a place they go. Everybody will just keep quiet. They watch now. Not be one community with this. From one community, you go enter another community. From that community, you go enter another. Not be as it takes stuff for Borno State. Not be as it takes stuff for Borno State before the thing can spread. When everybody got there on a major temporal. Not be so it takes that. See us on a place they become like that. It's okay. I'm not going to talk too much. The last one I talk, some people call the time and say, hey, oh, leave them, oh, they are fighting for their freedom. They are this and that. Who they fight for freedom, they destroy a place. Oh, you're not fighting freedom, they destroy a place. Look at your place. When a governor is nowhere to be found. A state of lawlessness. The people say for every day they were supposed to help they protect the states. They did that they do sit at home. They did that they threaten people. You will die if you come out. These are they did that they do any. Look at the state too. I don't talk finish. I don't want to talk too much. I beg. Who are here? Make it here. Imo State. You look my state. I'm just a concerned Igbo man, and I'm saying the truth. You understand? If you like here, if you like no here, look at your state. It don't they go. It don't they go. I go say on a later.